Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here. I wanted to quickly walk you through how to use Notion if you're not familiar with it. So when you click on the link in the email, this is the site it's going to take you to. This is where everything related to the options course is housed. All your lessons are down here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this little toggle is what I call it, or a caret. Just keep clicking. Access the first lesson, just click here. Again, this is where all your lesson material is. These are sections in purple. Then we have this little note saying where you need it to toggle, expand it, and there's going to be additional lesson material there. So that's the way that you navigate through the lessons themselves. To get back to the main page, you can use this cookie trail, whatever it's called up here. Click on that. Takes you back to the home page here. So back to the home base. Really not a ton else to tell you there. The one thing is if you want to so as an example, like take notes and whatever, and for the notes to remain sticky, you need to copy and paste this document into your own Notion account. The way you do that is you go up to this duplicate and you hit duplicate. Now keep in mind you do need a Notion account. They're free to create, so if you don't have one, recommend creating one. If not, then you can either bookmark this URL, or every time we send you an email, you can just click on that fresh link and it'll take you back to the course, whichever you prefer. So with that, that's how you use Notion. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me and I can help you out. Thanks. Bye.